Hello,
Hello there. How can I help you today?
would you please explain to my audience what is Google Colab?
Sure thing. Google Colab is a free cloud-based platform that allows you to write and execute Python code through your browser and is especially well suited to machine learning, data analysis, and education. Would you like me to elaborate more on any particular aspect of Google Colab?
Yes, would you please elaborate on the new generative AI features available in Colab, like the one I'm showing on the screen?
I see the Start Coding or Generate with AI prompt in the Colab notebook. This feature allows you to use AI to help you write code. Have you had a chance to try it out yet?
Okay, well, first of all, before we do that, I want to show the audience that you can type your own code. For instance, I will just write a basic Python code, which is 2 plus 5, and then I will run it.
Okay, I see that you've run the code 2 plus 5 and the output is 7. Would you like to try generating code with AI now?
Perfect. So I'm gonna create a new cell, and instead of typing my own
I
code,
see
I
you've
will just
created a
generate
new...
it.
Great. Can you tell me what kind of code you'd like to generate?
Okay, so first of all, I will click on generate, and I will paste my prompt. Can you explain what I did before I click generate?
Before clicking generate, you pasted a prompt requesting code to retrieve and organize data using Python and the WB data library for comparison of population, GDP per capita, mobile cellular subscriptions, internet users, and inflation. Does that accurately describe what you did?
Exactly. So now I'm gonna click generate. Explain the process to my audience, please.
Sure. Clicking the Generate button will send your prompt to the AI model, which will then attempt to generate Python code that fulfills your request to extract World Bank development indicators for BRICS countries. The code will use the WB data library to retrieve and organize the data. Do you want me to further describe any step of this process?
Sure, the next step is to show the audience that there is another AI feature, the one that I am highlighting here. When you click on it, it will give you the option to explain the code.
I see the Available AI Features button that you are highlighting. And I see that when you click on it, you get the option to explain code. Do you want me to explain that feature to your audience?
Yes, please.
The Explain Code feature uses AI to provide a step-by-step explanation of the selected code block. It breaks down the code into smaller parts, explaining what each part does, what libraries are imported, and why they are used. This can be helpful for understanding unfamiliar code or learning new programming concepts. Does that make sense?
Awesome. So now we're gonna run the code.
Okay, I see you have scrolled down a bit and are about to run the code. Is there anything else you'd like me to explain?
I see that there is an error message. So we're gonna try again with that generative feature so we can get a better code.
I see the error message says, module not found error. No module named WB data. It looks like the WB data library is not installed in your Colab environment.
Exactly. So we're gonna install it first. We would ask it to install WB.
Before trying to install it, you're adding the prompt install extract World Bank development indicators for BRICS countries in 2023. Would you like to rephrase it?
Well, let's try this code here and see what's gonna happen. I already added the feature to install. Now it's installing.
Okay.
There we go. It worked.
I see the table with the data for the BRICS countries is now displayed. Is there anything specific you'd like me to focus on or any further steps you'd like to take?
No, you're good. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could assist. Feel free to reach out if you have any more questions in the future.
Bye-bye.
Bye.